Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to convert your Bitcoin BTC to USDT. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Just simply tap into this trade option at the middle bottom. And after tapping in there, you will get the option of convert directly. Tap to convert at very first, and after tapping into convert, you just simply have to select BTC into this from section. Just simply select the BTC, and after that you have to select USDT into the second. Just simply select the BTC and USDT that you have, and after that you can enter the amount that you would like to convert. You just simply have to select the amount and then tap to trade, and after that your BTC will successfully be converted into the USDT. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.